Good morning, Year 4. It's Tuesday and we're week 6, lesson 2. And this is our second lesson on identifying angles. So building on from yesterday's lesson, you made a right angle tester. So I'd just like you to go ahead and draw round your right angle tester, rotating it so that you see lots of right angles in different positions. So it enables you to identify them when they have been rotated, okay, and also mark on their size and the number of degrees, okay. Okay, so thinking about these three different types of angles, I'd like you to see if you can remember what is special about each one. So a right angle, what makes a right angle a right angle? What makes an acute angle an acute angle? And what makes an obtuse angle an obtuse angle? Okay, so see if you can remember and write the sort of meaning of each one. Okay, so hopefully you should know that the right angle is the same as 90 degrees or equals to 90 degrees. The acute angle is less than 90 degrees, so it's smaller than a right angle. An obtuse angle is greater than 90 degrees, greater than a right angle. But this is the definition we're going to expand a little bit today, okay? So here we go. So our obtuse angle, as we know, must be greater than 90 degrees, but it also must be less than 180 degrees, okay? Some of the games, there's a game for you to play where if you go into the levels 3 and 4, you will be dealing with angles that are larger than 180 degrees, but you only need to actually play the game in level 1 and level 2. In year 5 you will go on to measure, estimate and deal with reflex angles, okay, which we don't need to worry about in year 4. All right, so just a quick look at the sheets from today. So our sheets are the classroom secret ones. They're the reasoning and problem solving ones. So you'll see that there's a cover sheet which you ignore on the PDF, and then you've got the developing, expected and greater depth. Okay, everybody should be able to crack on in the expected level, okay, and if you complete the sheet that you're happy with and mark your work using the answers, that's the final page in the PDF, then that'll be great. Just one other thing about the questions. Okay, so this question 5, this is the expected sheet, okay, because I expect most of you to be doing that. Which angle is the odd one out? So have a look, A, B, C and D. It's really this one that I don't want to let confuse you, okay? So the angle is this that is opened up here, okay? The reason they sometimes put these part circles in is to try and show you that it is less than 90 degrees. And if you're ever not sure, you can use your right angle tester, and if you line up the base, you can see where the right angle would be. Okay, line up the base, you can see where your right angle would be, and again you just have to get the base of your right angle tester. Sometimes you might have to kind of flip it over a little bit, right, to show where the right angle would be. Okay, so you can see what is happening with all those different angles. All right, and then it asks you to explain your answer. Okay, read the questions, answer the questions. They are on the reasoning problem solving sheet, so you will need to think about that and explain your answers clearly. Okay, play the video game until you can estimate and work out the angles so that you can get within 10 degrees. You only need to play in level 1 and level 2. Okay, work hard and have fun.